All right, guys, welcome back again to my channel. I still remain your boy, the Legend FS. And in this video, I will be doing a technical analysis on USDCHF and GBPUSD and probably gold and if time permits, because I don't want this video to be too long, at least 15 minutes long. So now what I have on my screen here is a USDCHF, and I have already done my technical analysis on USDCHF, and I wouldn't want to delete it. What I have to do is that I will go over to a new pair, a new chart for me to do a thorough technical analysis. Okay, now we are on a plain chart which I've never done anything on. So you know how we do it. Currently, I'm on USDCHF on the daily time frame, and what I have to do is that you know how we do the first head over to our weekly to see the overall flow of the market. First and foremost, we can see that this particular zone, this particular resistance here, has held many times. Let me just bust it so that you can be able to see it. This is a particular resistance on the weekly time frame, which the market has respected over and over again. Let me quickly do it the way I do my things, and so that it will look good. So that is okay. Sorry for that. Okay, you can see that now we've gotten a particular resistance zone from the weekly time frame. You can see that once the market got here, it pull back, it got here, pull back, it got here, pull back, it got here again. Are we expecting another pull down? Are we expecting another pull down for the market to pull down again? Yeah, ideally, the market has given us what we call chart pattern here, confirming that the market wants to head lower. Let me zoom it so that you can be able to see what I'm saying. Let me just zoom it out. Look at when market got here the previous time, it gave us what we call the double top and the market bleed down. When market got here, it gave us the same double top and the market bleed down. When market got here, it gave us what we call head and shoulder. The head here, left shoulder and right shoulder. The market collapsed down again. Now the market is here for the one, two, three, four for the fourth time, and the market is also giving us this particular double top, and the market has broken below the neckline, which is a double confirmation for us. So now let's head over to our daily and see what the daily hold for us. You can see that when market got to this particular zone, it break down, and the market is currently here now. So now let me do a bit technical analysis on this particular guy. Just follow me carefully so that you will not be carried away or you will not be confused. I can see that this is a boss. If you check my other analysis, you will see that this is exactly the way I did my analysis on this particular zone here. So I bust it. Whenever I see a range, I intend to bust it so that to know what the market will do next. So that is why I'm boxing it. I'm just doing it so that you understand how I do my technical analysis, so that if you like the way I trade, you can also replicate it and do the same. So now I have to clone this. To clone it, may give another box here. Should in case if the market is coming, this is where I'll be keeping my eyes on. And I have this particular zone here. I have this particular zone also here, which I will be keeping my eyes also on. Now let's say, okay, this market has gotten here. This market has broken below this particular neckline here. This is the neckline of this particular guy here, and this market has broken below it. Note, okay, let me put a long one so that I can be able to switch back and show you. There's something I want to show you guys so that the thing can accumulate it. Okay, now you can see this is a neckline, the neckline of this double top, and this has fulfilled what we call, this has fulfilled a technical principle of this chart pattern. In every chart pattern, there is a technical piece, in every chart pattern, there is a technical principle that is always applied to them. And this particular one has fulfilled the criteria of this particular double top, or should I say it's triple top, but I'm considering this as a double top. So this guy has fulfilled the criteria here. First, let's go back and see what we hold here. Remember, this is a weekly zone which we've gotten from our resist from our this is a weekly zone which we've gotten from our weekly time frame. Check when the market got here from this weekly, the market gave us this same pattern. I call it in a trickish way. It gave us this same pattern. It collapsed down, and this market came back here to a proper retest. A retest inside here. Let me circle this and let's go over to 4 hours so that I can show you what the market always do. Let me circle it with red. Yes, okay. Now let's go over to 4 hours. Just note here, let's go over to 4 hours and note, and I will be also be saying that if uh, this particular scenario that play out here, this is the same thing I will be keeping my eyes on for it to happen before I can go short. Let's go to 4 hours and see 4 hours and see 4 hours. Okay, you can see now that when the market collapsed down, the market came back for a retest, and the retest was inside the neckline. And note there was a chart pattern also confirming that the retest is over, which if you have been watching my previous video, you will always hear me say a weakness in the market. For example, if the market is coming like this, coming like this, coming like this, if the market needs to continue to come and take off this high to make a new high. But in a case whereby market fail to take off new high and come and close below this particular low here, there is a problem. And if this is happening on a daily or weekly zone, which you confirm that the trend is down, that is the right time for you to start selling. And this is exactly what this market did here. Exactly what it did here. The market was coming, making higher high and higher low, higher high, and the market came down. Ideally, the market is supposed to put up another high here somewhere here, but for some reason the market failed. And why this market failed to put in another high here is because this market is coming for a retest. Its major direction is not up, it's just coming for a retest. And the moment the retest complete, this market collapsed all the way from here, it collapsed down. So now let's go back to daily so that we can finalize everything we have. Now, this market now is currently on a resistance. Note when this market got here, it collapsed, it got here, it collapsed, it got here, it collapsed, and currently we are in that particular resistance again from our weekly perspective. We are in that particular resistance again. So now what I will be waiting for is this market to, because first is that the daily has closed below this particular neckline, confirming this chart pattern, confirming to us that this chart pattern has been completed. Now what I'll be looking to see is that I need a pullback, a significant pullback to somewhere here, eh? And then I look for chart pattern inside here to go short. My first target will always be here, and then second target will always be somewhere here. Okay, first target somewhere here, and second target will be somewhere here. Okay, so but I will not be blindly to jump in for a sell immediately. Like I will also wait for this guy. If this guy can give me a nice chart pattern inside of here, maybe somewhere here, ideally, if the market is, let's say the market is coming back for a retest or from our daily zone, if the market is coming back for a retest, eh, then ideally it should stop here. I'm not saying it must stop here. It can get here, but somewhere here will be fine. And from here now, I can now look to short the market down here. And if I'm seeing this on my daily, then on 4 hours, the market will just look like this. On 4 hours, the market will be going like this. The market will be going like this. Then what I'll be waiting for is something like this to happen. And once the market close below this particular low here, that is when I will opt in for a sell on USDCHF. Just the same thing he did here. I will also be expecting for this guy to do the same thing here. It's not a must. It's not a must, but if it does, this is what I will be doing on USDCHF. I hope you get it, guys. I don't want to go more deeper. But I hope maybe probably this week I will do a full guide of technical analysis on how I do my top-down trading for those who really like the way I trade. So this is what I have on USDCHF in a nutshell. Let me go back to GBPUSD. As you all know, GBPUSD over the time, I've been calling this guy, I've been betting this guy bearish, and for some reason, this guy actually broke this particular neck here. It broke it to the downside, but for some reason, the market shoot up, and the moment I saw that the daily close above here, that is what I said. If you watch my previous video, I've been saying that the only time I can flip my bias is when I see this particular zone take, when if daily candlestick can close above this particular zone here, that is when I will change my bias. If you watch my like two of my previous video, that is what I said there. And this guy also give us what we call a inverser head and shoulder, confirming to us that this guy has changed direction. What this guy just told us is that it confirmed to us that, hey, I want to change. Like I have already changed direction. This is, let me say, okay, this is the left shoulder, right shoulder, and the head, and the market came and broke above the neckline, confirming this head and shoulder pattern. I initially sent this particular signal to my Discord platform where I belong, and I said that that was about 2 weeks ago. But some encountered me and said that this may not be truth. Let's just keep our eyes and watch. Although this is technical, nobody's 100% sure. And when I saw the market came down to break this particular neckline on daily, I was thinking, oh, maybe the head and shoulder pattern will not hold again. So, but nobody knows. We can only trade what we see. We don't trade what we feel. We trade what the market show. Anything the market showed us, that is what we are going to trade. So after this guy broke down close below it, I was thinking, oh, maybe this guy wants to continue coming lower because of this double top here and because of this double top. So for some reason, for some technical reason, the market failed, came back here, shoot up, and the market came and broke above here. Now, what I'll be waiting for, since the market has broken above here, confirming this head and shoulder pattern, which I have been keeping my eyes on for a very long time, confirming this head and shoulder. So now I will be keeping my eyes on a decent pullback to this particular zone here. If I can see a decent pullback and a bounce off of this particular zone here, I will be clicking buy position. I'll be looking to buy from the 4 hour or from the 1 hour. You can also see that I've already kept my arrow here. That if the market can pull down here, this is where I'll be taking my buy position. So now I'll be waiting for the market to just give me a source of maybe from here coming down here, maybe just broke below here a little bit and come and fail to take off this particular low here and close above this particular neck here. This is where I'll be looking to buy, and that is what I have on GBPUSD. Let me quickly go over to maybe gold or probably any other one. Gold, I've been anticipating gold. Like this is what I have on gold. There's nothing much on gold. I've been anticipating gold. Maybe if the gold can break below this particular zone here, next target is this particular daily zone here. Because since gold broke out of this particular zone here, it has not given us a retest. But I know that a lot of traders are also anticipating gold to come back to retest. But technically, if gold can come back, fine. And if gold was not able to come back to here, I will be looking for gold to take off this equal high here. If gold can take off this equal high here that which he made and close above it, I will be looking for a pullback to join gold. I will not look for gold to come back here, because if gold can take up this higher, there's no need for gold to come back again. So that is what I have for you guys in a nutshell, and I'll be doing a full technical video on how I trade, maybe probably this week or next week. I don't really know, but that is what I have for you guys. Please, guys, I beg you, please do subscribe to my YouTube channel if you like the way I teach, and comment what you want to see next, or anything you want me to do next. Please comment it in the comment box below, and also give me a like if you like the way I teach. And if you don't also like it, also give me a dislike. I will also appreciate it. But tell me in the comment box below what to do to improve in my next video. As you all know, no one knows it all. Even the most profitable and professional trader in the world, they are still learning. So we keep on learning until we attain the level which I call the CPT, consistent profitable trader. With all being said, I will see you in my next video. Bye, and keep on peeping, guys.